Most mosquito repellents are elaborate psychological placebos. Ultrasonic plugins emit frequencies that actually attract hungry female mosquitoes. Vitamin B1 supplements do not change skin chemistry for insects. Citronella candles only work if the person stands inside the smoke. Mosquitoes detect carbon dioxide plumes from over 30 meters away. Lactic acid on human skin acts as a landing beacon. Standard bug zappers primarily kill beneficial moths and beetles instead. Wristbands infused with essential oils have a protection radius of 0. Why do some people never get bitten, regardless of the product? The answer lies in the specific bacterial colonies on the dermis. DEET remains the gold standard, but dissolves certain synthetic clothing fibers. Picaridin is a synthetic version of a compound found in pepper. Oil of lemon eucalyptus is the only plant-based repellent EPA-approved. Thermocell devices create a spatial shield using heat-activated alethrin mats. Mosquito coils release fine particulate matter equivalent to 75 cigarettes. Fans are more effective than candles by disrupting flight patterns. Dark clothing absorbs more heat, making the wearer a visible target. Beer consumption significantly increases attractiveness to Anopheles species mosquitoes. Genetic modification of mosquitoes is currently reducing populations in Florida. Garlic consumption has no measurable impact on bite frequency at all. Skin temperature fluctuates based on metabolic rate, signaling a blood meal. The skeeter syndrome is an actual allergic reaction to mosquito saliva. Dengue and Zika are rising. Dry ice traps work by mimicking human breath on a massive scale. Bat houses are ineffective because bats prefer larger moths over mosquitoes. Permethrin should only be applied to clothing, never directly to skin. The secret to the immune person mentioned earlier is high nonanol levels. This specific aldehyde acts as a natural masking agent for CO2. Coconut oil fatty acids show higher repellency than DEET in lab tests. A mosquito's proboscis is actually 6 different needles working in unison. One needle saws the skin, while another pumps in anticoagulant fluid. Standing water the size of a bottle cap breeds 300 larvae. Coffee grounds do not repel mosquitoes, but can kill larvae in water. Dish soap in a tray of water creates a surface tension trap. Yellow LED bulbs are less visible to insects than standard white bulbs. The only one method is not a spray or a candle. Mechanical exclusion via 1.2 mm mesh is the only 100% fail-proof tactic. Screens remove the possibility of contact rather than masking the scent. Chemicals eventually evaporate. Physical barriers remain constant until they are torn. The person who never gets bitten, as asked at 1 minute, produces 1-methylpiperazine. This compound effectively blinds the mosquito's odor receptors entirely. If you cannot produce 1-methylpiperazine, use a high-velocity floor fan outdoors. Wind speeds over 2 miles per hour make landing physically impossible. Aggressive landscape management removes the resting sites required for daylight biters. Eucalyptus trees do not repel mosquitoes simply by existing in a yard. Most natural sprays lose all efficacy within 20 minutes of application. The most dangerous animal on Earth kills 1 million people every year. It is the mosquito, not the shark or the snake, we fear. Focus on physical barriers and wind displacement for guaranteed protection. Everything else is an expensive gamble against a relentless biological machine.